Introducing ClearWater, the revolutionary solution to some of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. As we face the consequences of climate change, ocean acidification, and nutrient pollution, the need for sustainable solutions has never been more urgent. ClearWater's innovative approach uses diatoms, a natural and effective tool for restoring ecological balance. Composed of a balanced blend of micronutrients and nano silica, ClearWater optimizes the growth of diatoms in various aquatic environments. These microscopic algae are not only essential for the aquatic food chain, but also play a crucial role in oxygen production and carbon dioxide absorption. By enhancing the proliferation of diatoms, ClearWater ensures healthier water bodies, promoting biodiversity and supporting aquatic life. The unique formulation of ClearWater provides the necessary nutrients that diatoms need to thrive, making it an indispensable solution for maintaining clean and balanced ecosystems. Whether in ponds, lakes, or rivers, ClearWater's Diatom Clean technology is a game changer in water treatment and ecological restoration. Easy to apply and highly effective, ClearWater requires only small dosages to produce significant environmental benefits. It's versatile, perfect for aquaculture ponds, wastewater treatment plants, and natural water bodies. Our planet is facing a severe environmental crisis due to excessive CO2 emissions. These emissions are leading to global warming, which in turn causes ocean acidification and severe nutrient pollution. The situation is exacerbated by nitrogen and phosphorus runoff from agriculture and industry. This runoff contributes significantly to the formation of harmful algal blooms and dead zones in our water bodies. These dead zones are areas where aquatic life cannot survive due to the lack of oxygen. The impact on marine ecosystems is devastating, leading to the death of fish and other marine organisms. Additionally, the pollution of rivers and lakes affects not only wildlife but also human communities that rely on these water sources for drinking, fishing, and recreation. Immediate action is required to mitigate these effects and protect our planet for future generations. ClearWater harnesses the power of diatoms, natural microscopic organisms that play a crucial role in the Earth's carbon cycle. These tiny yet mighty algae are found in oceans, rivers, and lakes, and are responsible for producing a significant portion of the world's oxygen. Through controlled photosynthesis, diatoms absorb CO2, release oxygen, and uptake nitrogen and phosphorus, reducing pollution and improving water quality. By capturing carbon dioxide, they help mitigate climate change, while their ability to absorb excess nutrients prevents harmful algal blooms. ClearWater's innovative technology leverages these natural processes, creating a sustainable solution for cleaner water and a healthier planet. Imagine a world where water bodies are free from pollutants thanks to the silent, tireless work of diatoms. This is the future ClearWater envisions and strives to achieve every day. ClearWater for a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future.